How to fix profile photos not loading or blurry on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve profile photos not blurry or basically not loading properly. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your profile photos are not loading or if it is blurry for some particular reason, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. Now, the first and foremost thing is that make sure you're connected to a reliable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Once you've done so, you can simply launch the Bumble application and you can simply try to navigate to your profile page. So I'm just going to come back here and just navigate to my profile page. And let's say you have to have a certain photo here. You can try to tap on edit profile. You can first of all cross out any of these images over there that you no longer need. And whenever you upload an image, you just have to be patient as to what kind of image that you're uploading. And you just have to be patient and wait for that image to load properly, because if you do not wait for the image to load like this, so let me just tap on this done button. You have to wait until the image loads up, then tap on the upload button. Be patient, make sure you're connected to the internet, and now you can see it will be loaded up successfully. And this is how you can go ahead and then basically load your images on Bumble and fix if it is quite blurry. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.